Lily sat outside on the wooden bench in front of her house. The sun was setting, and the sky was painted with soft orange and pink colors. But Lily did not notice the beauty of the evening. She was lost in her thoughts. Her face looked sad, and her shoulders were down. Grandma was sitting in her old rocking chair nearby. She watched Lily for some time and then called her gently, "Lily, my dear, come here. Sit beside me." Lily slowly got up and walked toward her grandma. She sat down next to her and sighed deeply. Grandma held Lily's hand and asked, "What is wrong, my dear? Why do you look so sad?" Lily hesitated for a moment, then said in a soft voice, "Grandma, I feel like life is too hard. Every day I have new problems. I see other people happy, but I always feel sad. Why is life so unfair?" Grandma smiled gently and patted Lily's hand. "Oh, my sweet child, let me tell you something very important. Listen carefully." She took a deep breath and said, "Everyone has problems, Lily. You are not the only one. Every person in this world faces difficulties. Some people just do not show it. They smile, but inside, they also have worries." Lily looked surprised. "Really, Grandma? Even the happiest people have problems?" Grandma nodded. "Yes, my dear. Nobody in this world has a perfect life. Some people have money but no peace. Some have beauty but no happiness. Some have success but no love. Everyone is facing something. You are not alone in this." Lily thought for a moment, then asked, "But why do we have problems? Why can't life be easy?" Grandma laughed softly. "Oh, my dear, problems are a part of life. Only people who are no longer alive have no problems. As long as we are living, we will face challenges. These challenges make us strong. They help us grow and learn." Lily listened carefully, then asked, "But what if my problems never go away? What if I am stuck like this forever?" Grandma shook her head. "No, my dear. Every problem has a solution. Sometimes, we cannot see the answer immediately. But with time, patience, and effort, things change. Life is always moving. Nothing stays the same forever." Lily sighed again. "But sometimes, Grandma, I feel like I am not good enough. I feel small and useless." Grandma held Lily's chin and lifted her face. She looked into her eyes and said, "Lily, never think like that. You are special. You are valuable. The way you see yourself is very important. If you think you are weak and unworthy, you will feel sad. But if you believe you are strong and beautiful, you will feel happy. Never look down on yourself. Lily nodded slowly, but her eyes were still filled with worry. But, Grandma, people say bad things about me. They laugh at me and make me feel bad. Grandma sighed. My dear, some people in this world enjoy making others feel sad. Do not listen to them. They are not important. What they say does not matter. What matters is what you think about yourself. Be strong and do not let their words hurt you. Lily wiped a small tear from her eye and said, But what if my own friends make fun of me? Grandma frowned slightly and said, Then they are not your true friends, my dear. Real friends support you, help you, and make you feel good. Do not stay close to people who laugh at your problems. Choose friends who bring happiness into your life. Lily was quiet for a moment. Then she said, But sometimes, when I am alone, I think too much. My mind fills with sad thoughts. Grandma smiled and said, Then keep yourself busy, my dear. When you have free time, do something you love. Read books, learn new things, play games, draw, or listen to music. When your mind is busy with good things, there is no space for sadness. Lily nodded and asked, But what if I do not have enough money? Some people look down on me because I am not rich. Grandma shook her head. Money does not make a person valuable, my dear. Never let anyone make you feel small because of money. A poor person today can be rich tomorrow. Life is always changing. Focus on being a good person, not on money. Lily looked at the ground and said, But what if I keep failing? I try, but I do not succeed. Grandma smiled warmly. As long as you are alive, there is hope. Never give up. If you fail today, try again tomorrow. If you fall down, stand up and keep going. One day, you will succeed. Never stop trying. Lily looked at her grandma with wide eyes and asked, But what if I feel too weak to fight my problems? Grandma held her hands and said, You are not weak, my dear. You are strong. And you know what gives even more strength? Lily shook her head. What, Grandma? Grandma smiled and said, Prayer. Pray without stopping. Prayer gives power. It brings peace and hope. Never forget to pray, my dear. It will help you in ways you cannot imagine. Lily took a deep breath. Grandma, sometimes I want something, but I feel too scared to go after it. What if I fail? Grandma touched her cheek softly and said, Be brave, my dear. Life is a journey. If you do not take a step forward, you will stay in the same place. If you want something, go for it. Take a risk. Do not be afraid of failure. Even if you fail, you will learn and grow. Lily smiled for the first time that evening. Thank you, Grandma. I feel much better now. I will try to be happy and strong. Grandma hugged Lily and whispered, remember, happiness is a choice. Choose to be happy every day. That night, Lily went to bed with a peaceful heart. She decided to believe in herself, face her problems with courage, and choose happiness every day. And from that day, she became a stronger and happier person. The end.